guys, it's Sam with WTI. So if you have dry, cracked heels like me, I have awful heels, you need to try this out. So I was on the hunt of a foot cream that was really going to help me with my issues and not just like be like a regular lotion. And this was the best thing. So this really helped my feet to become smooth and healed. I've been using this for years now, and it's just really made a difference. Let me show you the consistency. It comes in a little tube like this. If you see here, it's kind of thick, but honestly, like that's what you want for a foot cream, if that makes sense. And then if you see, it rubs in like pretty thick, so it's moisturized, and it does become like invisible there. You can see the glisten of it. For a hand cream, I wouldn't necessarily like it being so thick, but for a foot cream, it is great. So if you are trying to help your feet, definitely think you should try this out, and that is my point of view.